All right, now let's demonstrate the data types. How do we ingest? So first things first, let's first upload the file from our local computer. Our usual steps, I'll click on upload files to volume, browse, then select files. Now let's double click on our customer input file, customer CSV. I'll select demo volume, which is in the demo schema. Let's click on upload. All right, it got uploaded. Let's now go to our SQL editor. Let's click on SQL query. Now, as a first step, let's select our schema, which is our demo schema. So first thing will be creating a table or dropping if the table already exists. Let's click on run. Since we are creating multiple tables here, so sometimes you might face if a table already exists in the demo schema. So it's better to use drop table if exist. So it will clean up the previous input files if any. So next step, please note we are now will be creating the table itself, the delta table. I'll click on run. So let me explain why we have done it. And there we go. The query ran successfully. So if we won't mention the data type here, right? If we directly ingest using the CSV, everything will be treated as string. You can try this as a homework, but for this demo, we are doing it correctly. That is mentioning the data type, right? So if you note here, right? So I've commented out, but you can try this. The difference from your experience, if you get string, so you're doing something wrong. If you're doing the correct way, it will pop up the correct data type, which will be seeing in this step, that is describe table step. I'll hit run. Now if you look at the data type, it says int string, proper data type is active is boolean. If I now try to select star from the table name, it will show up the data as well. So here we go. If we look at the data, so we got something boolean here. This is something date, this is some text, and there's some numbers that is int. If we compare here with this, right? So these are the correct data types, right? Whenever we are firing the describe table, it should give the correct data type. That is the different types like int, string, date, boolean, right? So that's what it goes the tutorial for data type. Thank you so much. Let's meet in our next lecture.